I'm inside the coop. Chicken, as you can see, is inside the nest box. Speaking of, I put new shavings in the nest box. Yay! Anyway, I put new shavings in there. There's Miss Goldie. There is, let me get a better. There is 3 bags of shavings right here. My brother-in-law put them in here. That's nice. That's really nice. But yeah. Well, now it's gotta get it adjusted here. Hi, Goldie. Then my next challenge is to clean the coop out. I just watched the Mariners. They won 5-4 against the White Sox. Yesterday I was talking about, looking at God's creation, looking at all God created, which is everything. Like Goldie in front of me. Now I want to ask, what are you grateful for? What is it that you're grateful for? Me, I'm grateful for these chickens. I'm grateful for the cows. I'm grateful to God. I'm grateful for a lot of things, but just, kind of make a list of what you're grateful for. It's pretty long. For me it is. But I will say have a most pleasant evening. I will talk to you later. In here are some dust bathing chickens. I had to get one of this. There's one scratching. Goldie's out. And there be the cows. You can see them. There. My brother-in-law's coming with the tractor. Whoop. Yep, Patty.